Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my November Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you, and then you fill out a style profile with your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion. A stylist is paired with you, and he or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box. Those items get sent to you, and then you try them on in the comfort of your own home. You decide what you would like to keep, and you ship back anything that you don't like. The $20 styling fee does get applied to anything if you keep one item. Even better though is if you decide to keep all 5 items in your box, you get a 25% discount, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee as well. So that makes for a pretty good deal. I have mine set up to get it monthly, and I have really enjoyed the convenience of this service. So we're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. When you open up the box, it does give you the directions on what to do next. You get this envelope here, and this envelope is to send back anything that you don't want to keep. It is already prepaid. Shipping is free both ways. Also, if you need to make any exchanges to get different sizes, this is the bag that you'll put the items in. This envelope right here has your price invoice sheet, and I'll look at that here in a little bit, but this is fix number 15 for me. You also get this style card with all the style suggestions for the pieces in your box, and then you get a note from your stylist, and I'm going to read that real quick. I have had Kara the entire time, and she does a fantastic job. And it says, "Happy Stitch Fix Day, Jennifer. Are you and your family ready for trick-or-treating? I'm excited about our Burrow Halloween contest. My daughter won 3rd last year, and I found a very intricate fair costume for this year. Have you guys gone to any fall festivals or pumpkin patches? Let's get started. Thank you for your request for fix number 15. I was able to find a few of the pieces you requested while trying to keep your budget top of mind. I was able to find a pair of cuffed boyfriend jeans that should be perfect for your height. It says boyfriend jeans are super comfy and you'll love showing off your trendy new booties. I noticed the animal print on your Pinterest board, and this is the season to try it. Amp up your look with the Leota dress, Kara." On top, I have a shoe bag, so let's take a look at that first. The tag says DV8 Jace heel booty in gray, and these are a size 9. And this is what they look like. They have the little zipper right here on the side. It is a nice gray color for fall. It's got the heel. These are really cute. They've got a nice pointed toe. They're soft suede, so I think I'm gonna like those. Hopefully those will fit. And this is what my bundle looks like. I can see some, I think it's blue or teal. Some green, there's the animal print and the jeans, I think. So first on top, it says it's by Beacon. It is the Patty Roll Tab Knit top in navy, it says. And it looks like this. I love a floral print. This is a good floral print for fall. Looks like it has some brown and some cream and some olive, and then a couple pops of pink in there. Yeah, it's super stretchy. Looks like it would wash up really well, so that's a cute little top. Next is a really soft top, and the tag says, this is by Pink Clover, and this is the Kalonice button cuff sleeve knit top in olive. And it looks like this. I love super soft tops like this. It's just a basic green olive top, but it does have, it looks like a 3/4 sleeve with these striped and button little cuffs at the bottom. Very stretchy, very soft, and that's super cute. And here is the animal print. This is by Leota. It's the Kaylani sweater dress in dark gray. Here is the print. It looks like just a heathered gray and black. Just a basic dress. It kind of comes in a little bit at the waist. It also has a 3/4 sleeve. This would be perfect for wearing with leggings, and I bet you it would look really cute with those little gray booties. And then last is, it's by Mason and Belle. It is the Jaylah roll cuffed boyfriend jean in indigo. And it looks like Just a dark wash, no distressing, and it just has the cuff. I just don't know how I'm gonna feel about a boyfriend cut, but we will find out. And it looks like it's probably gonna come right to the ankle. They are stretchy, so we shall see. I guess now we're gonna go and do the try on. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back with the first two pieces. I have on the pink Clover Kalonice button cuff sleeve shirt in olive, and this shirt is super soft. It's just a basic, really soft olive green top. It has a 3/4 sleeve with the buttons on the side, which is really cute. It comes down pretty long in the front and in the back. And I love how soft this top is. So yeah, this is a great color for fall. Super cute. I like it. Next, I have on these boyfriend jeans. They are the Mason and Belle Jaylah roll cuffed boyfriend jean in indigo. And they are shorter. They come a couple inches above my ankle, and they have that cuff detail right there. They fit really well. I always wonder though, when I'm 5'10" tall, if wearing a shorter jean like that makes me look like I'm just wearing high waters or something like that. But I am gonna try it on with the booties because I think that is what she is wanting me to do with it. But overall, I think I like the two pieces. Just need to think about the jeans a little bit more. I'm gonna try on those booties with it and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back. I have on the green top still and the boyfriend jeans. And I tried on the booty with them because the jeans are cropped and they almost remind me of like a capri length. So I'm not sure how I feel about them. The booties are cute, but because I'm so tall, I just feel like a giant in heeled booties. Like, I love the look of them. Let me see if I can show you. I think they're really cute. I just don't know if they are for me. I think they're always so cute and stylish on people. I am gonna try to move you guys down so I can show you the booties a little bit better. So I'll be right back. All right, so I've got you guys down on the floor so I can show you these booties. I like the color and they're very cute. They are a little high for me. Now, here they are with those boyfriend jeans, and they almost feel like a summer capri pant to me because my legs are so long. But what do you guys think of the booties? Are the jeans too short? What do you guys think? They're cute and stylish. I think they're super cute. I just don't know if they look good on me. So if you can leave a comment and tell me what you think about these booties with these boyfriend jeans, it would be greatly appreciated. All right, I'll be back with the next top. All right, guys, I'm back with this second top, and this is the Beacon Patty Roll Tab Knit Top in navy. It's almost like it's navy, but it's like got a little, I don't know, like a green blue tint to it. So it does have these roll tab sleeves. It does have a really pretty floral print for fall with the browns and the creams and yellows and things like that. When I put it on, this is how the roll tabs want to do. Like, they just want to hang loose because it's kind of like that silky, stretchy material. That's how it wants to do it when you put it on. I rolled it up like this just to see what that would look like a regular rolled sleeve. Which way do you prefer it? Do you like it just hanging like that? Or do you think it looks better with the rolled sleeve? Super stretchy. It is a long top, so it covers my bottom, which is really nice. Long in the front as well. I still have it on with the boyfriend jeans and the booties. And it's cute. looks like a good top for school. I teach 4th grade, and this would be a good one to wear, comfortable. Yeah, so tell me what you guys think about this top. I'm gonna put on that dress and I'll be right back. All right, I am back with this last piece, and this is the dress by Leota. It is the Kalani sweater dress, and it's got that soft sweater material, and it's got a cute little black and heathered gray animal print. It kind of comes in right here. You can't hardly see it, but there's like a little line right here. It does come to my knee. I don't have any black leggings on, but that's how I would wear it, with a pair of black leggings. I don't do tights or pantyhose. It has a 3/4 length sleeve. It is very comfortable. Good fall winter dress with some leggings, like I said. I do have it on with the booties right here. And I asked my 7-year-old daughter, I said, what do you think about the dress and the booties? And she said, I really like the dress. She said, the booties make you look too tall. Because they do make me feel very, very tall. They're pretty. What do you guys think about this dress? Super soft, super cute, good length, good for church, good for teaching school, good for cooler temperatures. So if you guys could give me some feedback in the comments down below, that would be greatly appreciated. I'm kind of in question on some of these pieces, and I'll be right back with the recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. The first item on my list is the DV8 Jace heeled bootie in gray, and these are a size 9. They have the zipper on the inside of the foot, and they have the cutout on the side. I love the style of them. I just wonder if they're too tall. I just feel too tall on them. I think they look super cute on other people, but when you're 5'10" already and you add an extra 2 or 3 inches, it might be a little bit too much. But they are also a very pricey item in the box. They are $95. You guys tell me what you think about those. Next on my list is the Leota Kalani sweater dress, and it is also another pricey item. It is $88, and that's this dress right here with the animal print. And I thought that was really pretty. I liked it. Like I said, I would pair that with black leggings and some booties, and it would be good for school, and it would be good for church. So I think I like that one. A little pricey, but it's really pretty, and it would be perfect for these cooler temperatures. The next item is this pink Clover Kalonice button cuff sleeve shirt, and this is super soft and super comfortable. It could be worn to school, but it could also be dressed casually with a pair of jeans, and it is $38, which is a good price. Next is this Beacon Patty roll tab knit top in navy, and that was this floral print top, and it's super stretchy, and I think it's polyester is what it feels like, and it's not gonna fade, and it's gonna wash up well. The only issue with this top was the tab sleeves wanna kind of slide down, but it's cute, and it was $40. And then the last item, the other item that I'm in question on, is the Mason & Belle Jaylah roll cuff boyfriend jean in indigo, and I think roll cuffed boyfriend jeans are cute on certain individuals, but when you're 5'10", sometimes they just look like high waters, and I'm not sure if that was a good look for me or not. So the stylist pick subtotal was $319, which is definitely pricier than I normally get. The buy all 5 discount of 25% would take off $79.75, which leaves me with an order subtotal of $239.25. I really like to keep my boxes at $200 and below if I can. So this is a little bit more than I would like to pay. I don't get the $20 styling fee because I have the style pass, so my cost would be $239.25 if I kept all 5 pieces. So I'm gonna leave my referral link down in the description box below. It should give you $25 off. Anytime you can get some free money towards free clothes, that's always a good thing. So if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave that below, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.